Here's meteorologist TJ Del Santo with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Starting to get some reports in. 3.1 inches in West Gloucester, North Foster, 2 inches of snow. Might actually be a little bit more than that now. In Cumberland, 2 inches of snow so far. And the worst of it, the most intense part of the storm, still yet to pass over our area. Let's take a look at what's going on. Our live city cam picture. You can see the very poor visibility out there. Not a great night for driving, that's for certain. As the temperatures continue to fall, we'll likely be seeing any melted precipitation out there begin to freeze, and the roads will likely become snow covered over the next several hours. Even in the Providence area, we have winter storm warnings in effect for Providence and Kent County, winter weather advisory in effect for Bristol County, Mass, and southern Rhode Island, and out across especially eastern Massachusetts, Cape Cod and the islands, south coast of Rhode Island and Massachusetts. We have a high wind warning in effect, and also Kent County and Providence County will likely be seeing some strong winds as well, and that could aggravate the problems, possibly cause even more power outages than the heavy wet snow will up in northern Rhode Island. We are looking at some very heavy snow out across Connecticut, and that will be working its way across our region during the next several hours. Again, snowfall rates 1 to 2 inches an hour possible between midnight and about 3-4 o'clock in the morning, and then it should begin to quiet down after that slowly. Temperatures are below freezing. We're beginning to see the snow really begin to stick up in northern Rhode Island. Down near the South Shore, it's still above freezing, but temperatures are dropping even near the South Coast. You see the temperatures taking a big dive over the last several hours, from 6 o'clock down to 34 to 32 degrees. Even in Providence, we topped out about 43 in the afternoon with the rain, and then the temperatures have since dropped to about 33, 34 degrees. Been kind of teeter-tottering back and forth over the last hour or so. The storm is fairly large. You can see the snow up there in Maine, through New Hampshire, Vermont, western Massachusetts. One spot, more than 2 inches of rain in western Mass. I think Lee, Massachusetts, over 2 feet of snow right now. It's not even into November yet. Just an amazing storm. You see all the rain on the eastern side of the storm, where temperatures remain fairly mild. We are going to be seeing some snowfall amounts, half a foot, maybe even some of the extreme high elevations of Rhode Island, up to 10 inches of snow. And I'll show you that accumulation map in just a minute. So we're not going to be seeing that big blockbuster amount of snow, and we're certainly not going to be seeing no snow at all. We've already seen some accumulations, as I mentioned. So now till midnight, snow and rain, mostly transitioning over to snow. Midnight to 3 a.m., that's some of the strongest parts of the storm, heavy snow and very strong winds. 3 a.m. to 6 a.m., the snow will begin to taper off, but snow showers still likely for a little while tomorrow morning. The impacts, some downed trees and branches, leading to some power outages. Difficult travel is expected during the overnight and even first thing tomorrow morning before the roads are cleared, and heavy wet snow will be tough to shovel during the daytime tomorrow. How much? 6 to 8 inches, some isolated amounts to 10 inches, certainly possible north and west of Providence, north and west of 295, 3 to 6 inches in the Providence metro area. The closer to the coast you go, 1 to as much as 3 inches. Right along the coast, probably not much at all, and over in New Bedford and out across the Cape, very little in the way of accumulation at all, if anything. Area of low pressure will be heading out throughout the morning tomorrow. We'll get some sunshine, but it'll be fairly breezy and be kind of chilly throughout the day. So strong winds overnight tonight with snow, heavy at times till about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, and then beginning to kind of lighten up a little bit after that. Tomorrow morning, we'll see any snow showers kind of die down. We'll see some sunshine by late in the morning, kind of chilly in the afternoon with a busy wind. Only in the mid-40s tomorrow with that fresh snowpack around. Here's that live Pinpoint Doppler 12 7-day Futurecast. We're looking at sunshine for the day on Monday. Halloween looks to be chilly but dry. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday look to be dry as well, more seasonable on Friday and Saturday. Watching for another potential storm which could impact our area. Right now it looks like it'd be more rain than anything else, but certainly a very unusual late October storm. In fact, I don't think it's anything like this in the record books.
Wow. All right. Thanks, TJ. And coming up on Eyewitness News.